Nelco ना MD and CEO प्रदीप नाथ। प्रदीप सर, गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है सर शो पर। सर, सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे आफ्टर 2 स्लो क्वार्टर्स हमने देखा थिंग्स हैव पिक्ड अप इन Q2। कैसे आप देख रहे हैं सर H2 प्लेइंग आउट?
देखिए, as far as Q2 is concerned, we are quite happy that over the previous quarter, June quarter से हमारा 11% has grown, and the same quarter last year we have grown by 8%. So, and this shows that the business has started picking up. And we will be expecting the Q3 and Q4 to be better than what we've done so far. So like the growth momentum has started. That's all I can say for time being.
सर, मार्जिन्स में हमने देखा मार्जिन्स आर द लोएस्ट वी हैव सीन इन फ्यू क्वार्टर्स। क्या रीजन है सर? व्हाट लेड टू दिस?
Two reasons है। एक तो है कि अपना while the revenue has grown in the last quarter, some revenue mix has changed. So that's one. But more importantly, we have acquired a lot of satellite bandwidth capacity in anticipation that कुछ नए orders आने वाले हैं और उनको execute करने के लिए we require much more capacity. So we have invested in capacity in advance, and the reason is that there is a time required to get capacity. It is not so easy to time the capacity augmentation exactly with your business coming in, and therefore because of the investment, so there is a hit. But the good part is because our capacity has gone up, and then when we get new orders for execution, we'll not have to invest any more on the bandwidth. So therefore our margins will start going up. So I think that's why there's a momentary short-term impact on the EBITDA levels.
ओके, करेक्ट सर। प्रदीप सर, आगे जानना चाहेंगे जो कंपनी के पास जो लाइसेंस है इन फ्लाइट एंड मैरीटाइम कम्युनिकेशंस IFMC लाइसेंस इशूड बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इसका सर कैसे कंट्रीब्यूशन देख रहे हैं आप?
यार देखिए, IFMC जो लाइसेंस है उसमें दो चीजें हैं, एक तो एरो IFC एंड अदर वन इज मैरीटाइम।
ओके,
और हम दोनों में नेल्को इज ऑपरेशनल बोथ ऑफ देम। वी आर द ओनली कंपनी व्हिच इज ऑन बोथ एंड डूइंग वेल ऑन दैट। एज ऑफ टुडे we are having around between 23 to 28% of the total revenue coming from IFMC business, which is combination of aero IFC and maritime. So last quarter it was around 20%, but it hovers between 20 to 28%.
ओके सर, दूसरा भी कंट्रीब्यूशन में जानना चाहूँगी वो है कंपनी इज ऑल्सो प्रेफर्ड पार्टनर फॉर द गवर्नमेंट, डिफेंस एंड एंटरप्राइज सेक्टर व्हेन इट कम्स टू द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द कंट्री। इस यहाँ से कैसे कंट्रीब्यूशन देख रहे हैं?
देखिए, वो that is strategic electronics. Okay. We had that business, but we exited from that business in 2017. 2017 में that business को हमने close कर दिया था, taper off किया है. All the existing contract we've honored, and the company is entirely focused on satellite communication services. So therefore, we do not participate in any of the security surveillance projects anymore.
एंड सर, ऑन क्वार्टरली रन रेट आप टॉप लाइन कैसे देख रहे हैं? और इट्स बिटवीन 75 to 80 करोड़ फॉर यू, इफ नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर एंड रेवेन्यू गाइडेंस, बट ओवरऑल जानना चाहेंगे आपके पास।
Thank you. We don't give future guidance, but I can only say that we are seeing the market picking up. We are doing well overall in the market. So therefore, we expect the revenue to go up in the next 2 quarters, and that's where we are currently.
ओके एंड सर, एक जो इंसिडेंट था इंटेलसेट, वो जो इंसिडेंट हुआ तो कंपनी के लिए कुछ फाइनेंशियल इम्पैक्ट आप कैसे इसका कुछ दिखा आपको?
Intelsat satellite which has been lost is a very rare phenomena. It happens, but we have always ensured that we have enough capacity, satellite capacity, to take care of our customers whenever such incidents happen. So therefore, we have been able to accommodate all our existing customers in the capacity that we have, satellite capacity that we have on alternate satellite, and we are procuring some additional satellite capacity quickly. So therefore, we have taken care of all our customers, और हमें इसमें कोई revenue impact नहीं दिखता है for Nelco.
जी। और सर, आगे प्रदीप सर जानना चाहेंगे, कंपनी वाज ग्रोइंग वेल फ्रॉम FY19 to 23 माइनस द वन कोविड ईयर, बट देन इन FY24 हमने देखा FY24 ऑनवर्ड्स थिंग्स स्लोड। क्या रीजन सर इसके पीछे लग रहा है आपको?
I don't want to take 1 year as an exception, but if you look at the CAGR growth from FY19 to FY23, that is about, for a revenue, it was about 13.17%, and same FY19 to FY24 अगर आप देखेंगे CAGR is about 13.8%. So therefore, I don't think that if you look at a CAGR perspective that there is a major slowdown. In terms of PBT, the PBT at CAGR growth was 8.57% from FY19 to FY23. But FY19 to 24, it is 13.74%. So overall, I think the company has done well. Some years the immediate sequential growth may not be as high as the previous one, but if you look at from a slightly longest term perspective, you'll see that the company has grown fairly steadily, and financially we become very healthy. If you look at our debt equity ratio, for example, it is 0.23, which is the lowest so far for us. So that our borrowings have come down to a lowest level of 30 crores. So therefore, company is very healthy at the moment to make any investment that will be required for us to do. So I think so that's also we see that the health of the of the company has financial health has gone up significantly.
Okay, and Pradip sir, lastly, जानना चाहेंगे there is a big opportunity in Wi-Fi and domestic consumer commercial flight. What is the total addressable market here, and by when does it materialize in terms of number for you?
So, there is one topic which is of interest to everyone for two reasons. One is for the business, and also हम कब internet access कर पाएंगे on a domestic aircraft.
Right.
We are in touch with the domestic aircraft operators. There are a couple of challenges. One is that for existing aircraft, to make it ready for offering internet services, there has to be a fair amount of investment in terms of additional equipment. So therefore, it will take off more when the new aircrafts come in, and that will happen to my mind in the next one and a half years time. It is difficult to give an exact number at the moment, but suffice to say that there will be a fairly large number of aircraft, 200 aircraft plus in the next 3 to 4 years, which will be having internet services on the domestic routes.
राइट प्रदीप सर काफ़ी डिटेल्स हमारे साथ शेयर की, एंड स्टॉक भी काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है. ये वॉलेटाइल मार्केट में भी इट्स ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 2.5% अप. थैंक यू सर फॉर कनेक्टिंग, एंड बेस्ट विशेस फॉर कमिंग क्वार्टर्स. थैंक यू
सो मच.